Hi there guys, it's Omega and I'm in my new house on July 19th, and it was a long moving experience. It was actually took 4 different moves because I was getting rid of stuff and all that kind of thing. But anyway, I finally got everything in and I'm here. Now, I'm not totally settled in just yet, but I did want to come on and say hello. I did not post a empty house tour because it just didn't come out that well, but I thought I'd put a little bit of it in this video, so I'll show that to you in a little bit. But I do want to share with you my house once I get a little more settled. On the first floor here, I have most of my boxes unpacked, but I have some things I still need to do. I need to get rugs and you know, decor stuff, and I need to hang my curtains, and I've got to paint the whole place, but that will come a little at a time, and that will come later. I'm going to have someone do that for me. I am not going to work actually on the sewing room and the craft room just yet. I'm going to get most of down here pretty much settled before I start on that. In fact, when I do start working in the craft room especially, I'm probably going to ask you guys for some suggestions. So I will be showing you that room probably before it's set up, and then as I'm doing it, because I think your suggestions might be valuable, so I will share that with you in my sewing room. In fact, I can look to my upstairs hallway from down here, and I can look right into my sewing room from down here. I love this place. It's really open and airy, and I love the light that comes in. I love it. I have wonderful neighbors. I've started meeting neighbors, and they're just wonderful. I really, really, really like it here. So this is my now forever home. I didn't need anything super elaborate, but it is comfortable, it's beautiful, and I'm just gonna make it, you know, as comfortable and welcoming as I can. And I'm here, you know, I'm here, and this is it for me. So I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys for being so patient. I mean, I haven't done a video since before I moved, and I am really tired. In fact, this past weekend I probably overdid it because my back is hurting a little bit, so I've got to kind of take it slow now, but I'm going to get there. I'm going to get there. I don't have to really rush at this point, but I am anxious to get my craft room and sewing room settled so I can start crafting again. But at the end of the video here, I'm going to show you a little bit of the empty house before I moved in, and then I will show you the house as it's set up a little later. So guys, I will talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being so patient. For any new subscribers, I thank you for watching. Hang in there. I am coming back, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye. Hi guys, it's Omega, and I'm in my new townhouse. I can't wait to show you guys. There's a lot of echo, so I'm going to talk actually as little as possible. It's totally empty, so there's a lot of echo going on. But this is my front door. I'm so excited, guys. My front door, I'm so glad it has a window. My last place, my door didn't have a window. And then this is going up my stairs to the 2nd floor. Very high ceilings, as you can see. And I'm gonna walk you into the living room for just a moment. Let me show you, when you come in my front door, to the first right opening is my kitchen. This is the kitchen, and today I really just kind of started bringing some stuff over to clean. I just wanted to clean the counters off, and the place is immaculately clean. It's very, very clean. But of course, I want to, clean the dust and all of that. The floors are gorgeous floors. They are the laminate floors, but the whole house is done in this. And it's a very nice, high quality laminate flooring. And I love the fact that there's no carpet anywhere. I can put rugs where I want to, and I'm really happy about that. But another thing I really love is I have a lot of windows. Let me take you back out to the entryway. So this is the entryway from this view. High ceiling windows up there. I love the light that comes in. And so in the kitchen, here's another double window. I love it. This little area here, it's not a big eating space, but I'm gonna put a little round table there that'll seat 4 chairs in the kitchen here. Then the only thing I don't like, guys, in this place is this door is the half bath, and this is in my kitchen. So that's the half bath, very small. I just don't need the fan on. I just don't like that it is off of my kitchen. But other than that, I can live with it. I mean, it wasn't a deal breaker. She had so many nails in the walls, though. I mean, she must have hung a ton of pictures. That door goes out to the laundry room. Let me show you the laundry room really quick. This is my laundry room. And then, of course, there's another storage closet. And then that's the door to the garage. I have a 2-car garage. First time having a garage. I'm so excited. Okay, so I have an island. These are not granite. That is laminate as well. At some point, I will probably change that out for granite, but that's gonna be a while. It's gonna be a minute. I can live with this for now. So the kitchen, and then it looks over into the living room, this big opening here. And there is my stove on that side. And this is where the fridge goes. And let me take you back the other way. This is my pantry here. So small pantry, but nice to have a pantry. This place has a lot of storage, and I like that. So I can go to the living room or dining space actually from that way, the living room this way. So this is going into my living room. This is a hallway closet, coat closet, and it's actually deep. Goes way back. I can put a lot of, that's where I plan to put my Christmas decorations, so I won't have to go hunting for it. It'll be right here. This is my living room. Very high ceilings. It has the cathedral ceilings. I guess that's what you call it. On this wall. And you can look from upstairs over into the living room. So I have 4 bedrooms. There's 3 upstairs. And of course, you know that one will be a sewing room, one will be a craft room, the other will be a guest room. And my bedroom is there, and I'll show you that in a moment. But here's my living room with the fireplace, windows, and then going out to my, this is the dining area here. Again, very high ceilings, and then going back into the kitchen. This takes you out to the little backyard. I love that it's not a huge yard. I don't have to take care of it anyway, but there's my backyard. It's fenced in. So my fenced backyard. And this is the patio area. I can have a table and a few chairs out. I like that. She left the fire pit there. And coming back in, like I said, this space is the dining space. And this is my bedroom. So that's my bedroom, looking out on the backyard there. Now the color that's on the walls right now is a taupe color, but I am going to be painting everything variations of teal. There's master bath, 2 sinks. I wish I had a little vanity area. I don't. There's drawers there. But, you know, have the 2 sinks. I have a walk-in closet that is as big as a room. There's my walk-in closet. And it is really a good size. Love that. Then this is the tub. So separate tub and shower. The shower back here. I think the fan. The shower. Nice size shower. Toilet. And this is the linen closet. The linen closet is way bigger than the pantry. I wish the pantry was this size, but I'm happy with what I have. So this is the linen closet. So the master bath. I love the size of my bedroom. I'll have a little chair in here, then my dresser and my chest, and I have a little jewelry armoire and probably a bookshelf and bed, of course. But that's my bedroom. So now I'm going to take you upstairs. This, you can see I'm on the 2nd floor and looking over into the living room and the dining area. And then again back into my bedroom down there. But you can see that's a pretty good space. I really like that this place is not too big and not too small. This is the entryway from upstairs. Entryway kitchen would be in there. And the entryway window and coming up the stairs. This is going back towards the bedrooms up here. This is the first bedroom on this floor. It's a small one. I can't remember the size. I have to measure. But this will either be the guest room, or it will be my craft room. One of the small ones will be a guest room, and the other one will be a craft room. And there is the closets. Double windows. I like this. Now, I kind of like this, especially for craft space, the windows. And looking this way, goes back out to the hall. I don't know if I'm doing a very good job, guys. I don't usually move around when I'm recording. This is the bathroom on the 2nd floor. So it has the sink here, and then the bathroom, the toilet and tub is behind another door, which I like that. And then from out in this area, you can actually go either to the hallway that way or going to the other bedroom. Now this is the other small bedroom. Bedroom number 3 up here. It's a small room, and the bed would probably go over here. I would make this either bedroom or craft room. Closet. And then it has just one window looking out. Nice neighborhood, I love it. It is a gated community, I love that. No ceiling fans up here. That's something I'll have to do later. Then this is going over into the room that I plan on having as my sewing room. I will have it here mainly because I do have a sleeper sofa. If you remember in my sewing room tour in my apartment, I have a sleeper sofa in that room, and that's what will go in here. And then my cutting table, then my sewing table across here. That looks out to the back. And then I have plenty of space to have shelving. And I think I might have a little desk area somewhere because I do need to set up something like a home office, because sometimes I do work from home and I would love to have a home office set up for that. So that will probably be in here as well. But this is going to be the sewing space. All the closets are pretty much the same size.